following us?
No.
Is it just for us to document this?
Yes. Okay.
I personally would like to forget that we moved it back 2 weeks, but that's fine.
Teresa, the good news is that we are not coming out in December.
That's fine. Yes, it's positive.
The bad news, the news that we've just figured out is that Julia needs till the end of April to finish her thesis, which is good because it's better than. Trust me, there's lots of good things about this.
Well, it means that I'll be able to actually write a good thesis that I feel good about, and I'll get a good master's degree, and
Yes.
in the long term, it's positive to allow myself an extra week.
And for a minute we thought it was due yesterday,
But now we're okay.
and we'd have to pay for a whole other semester. So this is really like, just everything's wonderful.
Yes.
And yeah, so we've got 5 weeks till the end of April. And then we're gonna quit our jobs and move for a week.
Yeah, pack up for a week.
Yeah.
So then it'll actually be more like May 7th
When we
that
leave.
we leave.
Yes. And additionally, we will get to celebrate Julia's birthday here.
Ta-da!
Possibly go to the Messenger prom.
What? Maybe see Andrew Schrock's art show?
Yes. So we have to take care of some things on the East Coast that we wanted to take care of.
Yeah.
Was that the only news that we just moved it?
Well, the other news is that you have a new task in
Oh, yes.
planning.
Julia is going to start working on her thesis for like just a touch in the evenings, and I'm going to work on the budget. So I'm in charge of the numbers we need, and then if we don't have enough money, we'll get to push it back again.
No, then it's not what's gonna happen.
What'll happen then?
Then we'll put it on our credit cards and just be in credit card debt.
So long, podcast.
Bye.
Bye.